Hey guys, how's it going? Today I am doing a look for you that is going to be so simple. It is just one shadow. This look right here, just one shadow. It's so pretty. I use it for the shadow and then for the blush, which is amazing. And then I also show you a little trick on some things to do to warm up your look, because I felt like I was looking kind of washed out as I was doing the look. So you'll be able to see that in this video too. So if you haven't already, if you could please like and subscribe so that you catch future videos, I'd appreciate it. Check it out. Hi guys, how's it going? I am going to show you a very simple look today. We're just going to be using one shadow to do multiple things, and I thought it'd be kind of fun. So I'm going to start with a little color correcting tinted moisturizer. And I'm just doing little partial pumps here. So I just like to throw it directly on my face these days. I like to just throw it directly on my face and then stipple it out. That's usually what I do. So this is going to be really simple. I have a team member coming over. We're going to do some work. So I got to hurry up. So it's going to be quick look, quick look. All right. So there we go. Nice and fast. All right. I almost feel like I need to blend it just a little more. So I'm taking a dry brush, because I have a million brushes, you guys. I like have too many, really, probably. Is there such a thing? Is there such a thing as too many brushes? I don't know. I don't think I've reached that point yet. All right. Now, just a little bit of concealer. So I'm going to take actually Candlelight ShadowSense. Works great as a concealer. So I'm going to take that. I got a little bit of red around my nose, so just kind of like get rid of that. Bye, red. A little dark under my eye here. Bye, dark. There we go. Easy peasy. All right. Now, here's the fun part. This is really cool. So this is Rust ShadowSense. Watch what I can do with this. I can do so much with just one color. I'm just going to do two things, but it's kind of fun. I'm going to take the Rust ShadowSense. And it's a matte shade, so it's a little thinner than some of our shimmer shades, just because the particles are bigger in a shimmer than they are in a matte shade. So it's a little more creamy, liquidy when you have the matte shades. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to put it right on my lower lid. Okay. And now I'm just going to start tapping. And I'm like raising it as I'm tapping. See that? So now I'm going to blend. And now this part up here, I want to use a clean brush. I'm going to swipe back and forth and see how it's lighter. So I get kind of like a gradient thing going on. And it almost looks like two colors, but it's really just one color. Isn't that cool? So you see that? Looks like two different shades, but it's really just one. All right, there we go. There's one. Let me get the other side. Isn't that beautiful? And it's just those two colors. And it looks like you've got more than that. So beautiful. Rust is so pretty, you guys. All right, so now for a little extra fun, we're gonna put this as a blush. So I'm just using a couple of tiny little smidge dots, barely anything there. And then we're just gonna brush that out. And then look at that. Boom, blush. Isn't that beautiful? And it goes with my eye makeup. And now, so I don't look so weird, I'm gonna throw some brows on because it just looks odd on me until I get my brows done. So you guys can see the full effect then. Here we go. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of Smoked Topaz. Smoked Topaz actually looks really pretty with rust, you guys, if you were to wear them together. But I'm not doing that today. Just gonna go one shadow. Okay, I feel like I need to warm up my face a little bit. So I'm gonna take some deep color correcting tinted moisturizer, and I'm gonna put this just right under here and here, and then here and here. Let's warm up my face just a little smidge. There we go. Give some life to this face. That's better. All right, some eyeliner. So I'm just gonna use black pencil EyeSense eyeliner. I haven't been using my lashes recently because I ran out of the eyeliner, and I bought some from Amazon, and it just gets all over my face. I'm like, oh my God. I have SeneGence, so I don't like, I'm not used to dealing with my makeup coming off, and it pisses me off. I'm taking that rust brush. I'm just gonna go a little under my eyes right here. And so I have not been wearing my lashes. So I finally broke down and ordered more of the magnetic eyeliner. But it's kind of cool because I saw a story about the girl that started the business. She's from Thailand originally and moved to the United States, and apparently she was like picked on for her eyes, which that's sad, but so she was picked on because of her eye shape. It was different. And so she was obsessed with lashes, and you know, didn't like the glue. It didn't work well with her eye shape and things like that. So she created Glamnetic, and they're apparently like the first one that has 6 magnets on there. And anyway, but I was just like impressed with her story, and I'm like, okay, now I want to buy from you even more, because you started a business yourself, which I totally respect. Entrepreneurship is scary and exhilarating, and so I want to support her. She's so young, and I'm like, wow, you go, girl. That's freaking awesome. So I'm just using the non-waterproof version of the VolumeIntense mascara. Doesn't it just like change everything once I finally get my lashes going? My God. Blonde probs. We're in final stages here. We're almost done, guys. These are the little details that seem to make all the difference. Here we go. Holy crap, your girl's got lashes. So I'm gonna let those dry, and then out comes my, one of my most, I say my favorite, but I have a lot of favorites, don't I? Pearlizer. We need some pearlizer. So I'm gonna throw a little bit on my cap. Let's brighten up this face, shall we? Love it. Okay. This is the brush that I used for my blush. Just kind of like, make sure I got some color still here. I could definitely tell that it's winter time. This girl needs some color on her face. Let's put some powder on. Oh my God. It just makes such a difference when I wear powder versus if I don't. Smooth it out, smooth it out, smooth it out, smooth it out. Okay, now let's get those bottom lashes. Okay, now here comes that Brooklyn gloss, you guys. So this is the one. So we've got Brooklyn gloss, which was part of course, the Big City collection. Oh my gosh, yep. That is perfect. I feel like I look pasty. Like I'm trying to figure out what that's about. Why do I look so pasty today? I think, do I just need sun that bad? I'm gonna take some of the Ember Pearlizer. So I don't use this one very much. I'm just gonna put it on my finger. I feel like I need to warm things up a smidge. So you just use your fingers sometimes, it's okay. Don't have to be brush fancy all the time. Oh, that's better. That warmed me up a bit. I think this light too is really like bright. So I think once I get out of this light, it'll look a little bit better. There we go. Yay. There we go. Okay. Now I feel like I don't look dead. So there we go, guys. One shadow created this entire look up here. And then I used it as blush, and then I had to warm myself up a little bit with that Ember Pearlizer. I think it makes like a big difference. And then we finish things off with some Brooklyn gloss. So I hope you guys liked this and you got some value out of it, if you could just let me know in the comments what you think, I'd appreciate it. And we'll talk soon. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.